Casey Anthony's story has many similarities to the O.J. Simpson case. Both people are generally thought to have gotten away with murder. In 2011, Anthony topped the list of most hated Americans, and today she's still in the top 5 of that same list. This all stems from the results of a 2011 murder trial where Anthony was acquitted of killing her 2-year-old daughter. As in the O.J. Simpson case, public opinion was highly in want of a guilty charge. All evidence seemed to point to Anthony as the guilty person. To this day, Americans still feel the justice system did not work in this case. Anthony's daughter Kaylee was born on August 9, 2005, but the day of her death remains unknown. It is simply listed as 2008. The reason for this is because the exact time and date of her death was never determined. Kaylee Anthony was last seen alive on June 16, 2008, but it wasn't until July 15 that her grandmother reported her missing. A total of 30 days passed from the time Casey Anthony reported leaving her daughter at a babysitter's house to the time Kaylee was reported missing. During that time period, Casey was seen enjoying the nightlife in southern Florida. Many photos exist of her partying away while her daughter was missing. The public perceived this behavior as unnatural for a caring, loving mother. When Casey was asked of her daughter's whereabouts, the lies began. Casey said she had left her daughter at a babysitter's house, which was not true. She also lied several times to the police about where her daughter was. However, a forensic scientist concluded that a smell coming from Casey's trunk was decomposing flesh. Casey was convicted of lying to the police and other charges, but she was acquitted in the murder trial despite the evidence against her. Today she is free but lives in hiding for fear of retaliation.